What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. Let's just dive into building the melody. I started off with this sound from Unison MIDI Wizard. It also generated the chords for me. It's super crazy, but I had to show you guys because I was like feeling it and stuff, and I was like, damn, I'm gonna put it on the camera and show you guys how I cook up with this melody. It's like an AI plugin that allows you to generate trillions of chords, melodies, or combinations of it, which is super fire in my opinion if you're like stuck with building chords or coming up with melodies and stuff. Also has like over 200 sounds just to like mess around with. It's like a really good plugin. So let's just put this on R&B maybe, and let's do C sharp minor. You can just select the chords right there, select chords, and I want full, then just like click generate. You can even change out the preset. Bro, that kind of like this. Ooh, wait. I have an idea. Let's just render that out. We'll do like this. Cut it right here. Ooh. Let's see what we can do with this one. Turn it down. Alright, that's already pretty fire, bro. It's just like generate a top melody. Instead of chords, click melody and then generate. Generate something else. Kind of want a different genre, so instead of R&B, let's just go for jazz maybe. Let's just see what we can do. I look-y like this. Let's just shift these and make this one longer. Drag this one out. Yeah, I like that. Let's render that out. Let's generate some like extra atmosphere and vibes on top of this. So we're like mixing different genres at this point, bro. I want like some extra chords in there, just something like that fills up the melody a little bit more. Ooh, I kind of like that. So let's just head over to effects and let's just add some like space to this. That out. Let's just maybe try and reverse the flute. Yeah, she just wanna tease on the phone. Yeah, I just wanna ringtone. Oh shit, that's crazy. Make sure to go check out Unison MIDI Wizard. Super fire in my opinion. Just enjoy making beats, bro. Use whatever the you want. They got some extra bonuses with that as well, so if you download it, make sure to go check that out. Link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.